Hey guys, welcome back. So this is our next question from SQL 50 Leetcode, question number 596, classes more than 5 students. So here's the question. We have this table called courses, and this is the primary key. Student and class is the primary key. And then each row of this table indicates the name of the student and the class in which they're enrolled. Okay, so pretty simple. Write a solution to find all the classes with at least 5 students. Okay, so any class with 5 or more students. Return the results table in any order, so we don't have to sort it. And then the result format is in the following example. So here's an example input table. So we have the student name, so it could be just anything. So here we just have alphabets, and then we have the class name. So you can see in this example, only math has 6 students, so it's more than 5, more than or equal to 5, so we'll include that. Everything else is like less than 5, so we want to include that. So pretty simple. Okay, so we are gonna come to our SQL Server Management Studio where we have already created this table, and then I'm just selecting from this table. Okay, so let's start writing our query here. So I'm gonna select classes from my courses table, and then I'm gonna group by class. And then for each class, I'm just gonna get a count of a student. So I can just do count star. I don't have to put the column name here because I'm just grouping it by class. So let me run this. Okay, so you can see all of these have 1 except for math, which has 6. And then I want to put a filter on the count. And remember, since we are working with aggregates, I can't do where count star is greater than or equal to 5. This is not going to work. I have to use a having clause. So I'm just going to put it outside of our group by clause. So I'm going to put it outside of our group by clause. And then I'm just going to replace it with having. So having clause is like a filter on top of your group by. So here I'm saying get me everything where the count is greater than or equal to 5 because we need 5 inclusively or greater. So greater than or equal to 5. Let me execute it now. Okay, so we are only getting math. So I'm getting the class name and then the count. And here's the trick with aggregate functions in group by. So if we have this, in the output result, we only need the class name. So what I can do is I can simply remove this count all, and it's going to do the same thing. So if we have an aggregate function outside of our group clause, in the having clause, I don't have to select it. So if I execute it now, I'm going to get the same result, just not that column, but it's going to do the same thing. So see, I'm getting math here. Okay, so that's perfect. I'm just going to copy this solution here, and then we are going to come back to our Leetcode, and I'm going to run it now. Okay, ran successfully. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and thank you once again for watching.